I need all those.
Mhm.
See the breakout.
Okay. Do that now. Okay.
You haven't gotten offers. Ask Ms. Horn.
The attorneys must have them, do they?
She said, Attorney Vinek said they didn't have them either.
Oh, that's a problem because I know Ms. Horn thinks they have them.
Oh,
Madam,
Madam Clerk, there's several individuals that I do not see on the docket. I'm not sure if there's an updated docket.
did you intend to send offers today?
Give me a name, please.
Okay, we're not seeing them, and I think Kim said the attorney said they don't have
Attorney
them.
White,
So I don't know if
like
they didn't go
who?
through.
Tell me a name. Let me look.
We have Rita White and Melissa Vinek, our house counsel. Okay, thanks.
Attorney White?
Yes.
Yeah, like, give me a name and I'll look and see if maybe they're early.
Okay, for the updated, are you, oh, did you?
Yeah, like who are you saying is not on the docket?
Okay.
So far,
Thanks.
Chanel Pugh.
She's at 8:35.
Attorney White, if you're not seeing the offers, watch your email because it's.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Okay, I got it.
Did you hear me about the offers?
No, I have. Okay, I'll look at my email.
Yeah, she's working on it right now, so she thought
great.
She'd be watching, please.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, thank you so much.
Pull Melissa out and let her know as well. On the Motorola, I need you to unmute and give me a name, please. On the Motorola, you must unmute and provide a name or I'll have to remove you from the session. What is your name?
Avon Townsend.
Okay, spell the first name, please.
Davonn.
Tavonn.
Davonn.
Okay, and Townsend is the last name?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good morning, Attorney Vinek. It's so good to see you again.
Good morning. How are you today?
So just letting you know, Ms. Horn is sending the offers over by email. So I just wanted to let you know to keep an eye on your email. Something should be coming.
Okay. All right. I'll go print them as soon as I get them. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.
Mr. Townsend, we're going to get you into a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No, ma'am.
All right. You're going to go into room 26. That means there's a line of 25 people ahead of you. That means there will be a wait. It will be quiet in your room while you wait, but we can see you there waiting. Please don't use the help button. We know you're there. They're coming. If you know that your case involves needing to show registration, insurance, you got your window tint removed, your headlight fixed, gather those items now, please. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Room 26, go ahead and join. Sounds like she was thinking she sent them on Friday, so I want to take a look. No, that's okay. What's going on with Dante Turner here?
Review, it says he has paperwork to show he completed service. This is for some simple infractions.
Okay, very good. Good morning again, Mr. Dante Turner. Go ahead and unmute. Let's turn your camera on, please.
Good camera.
Thank you. Good morning. I can't see you. You're in the dark.
Yeah, it's just really the room I'm in.
There we go. Okay. All right. Calling ticket number P1853588. This is City versus Shadante Turner. Mr. Turner, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Dante Turner.
Thank you. All right. We set this for a 90-day review to determine whether or not your community service had been completed. Did you get that done?
Yes.
Okay. Madam Clerk tells me you have something to show me for that.
Yes.
Let me see.
And here go the one where
There we go. Okay. Thank you. You can put that down. Who did you do your community service with?
I forgot her name is
Where did you do your community service?
it was like a little church nearby me.
And what did you do?
It was like I just helped them with I say help clean up the church and stuff and just moving stuff around.
Okay, great. All right, I'm going to accept your proofs. I'm going to go ahead and close your file out at this time. Okay, have a great day.
Okay, you too.
Job getting all that taken care of.
Okay. I can leave.
You can go ahead and leave. Have a good day.
Okay, you too.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, boy. Thank you, Madam Clerk. All right, we've got Vanessa Perkins for a review. Can I bring her out? Or she, room 8.
I don't know, I can.
Phone number ending in 2133. I need a name, please.
Terrence Tillery.
Okay. Spell the first name, please.
Terrance.
Spell the last name, please.
Tillery.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Tillery, have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
All right. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so that you can speak with an attorney before I hear your matter. It will be quiet in the room until the attorneys get there, and there are 26 people in line ahead of you. There are 2 attorneys working their way through those rooms. Please wait patiently. Don't use the help button. We can see you there waiting. We know you're there. It just makes me have to stop court out here. All right. You're going to room 27. Please hit join. Vanessa Perkins, good morning. They're asking for an SOS on room 4 as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
She made her payment and hasn't gotten any other tickets.
All right, very good. Vanessa Perkins, good morning. Let's get you unmuted. Start camera, please. Vanessa Perkins, please unmute and start your camera.
There we go.
Thank you. All right, please start your video. I'm going to call your matter. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Calling ticket number U753-26126, City versus Vanessa Perkins. Ms. Perkins, just state your name for the record, please.
Vanessa Perkins.
Thank you. All right. You entered your plea under a 3-month delayed sentence. We have confirmed that you have complied with all of the requirements of that delayed sentence, including paying your fine, not getting any similar tickets. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss this, remove it from your record today, okay?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Devontae Perry, good morning. Please unmute.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you this morning?
Fine.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
Outside of court, no, since since last court hearing.
Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so that you can see an attorney today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You are in line. There are 27 people ahead of you. 2 attorneys working those rooms as quickly as they can, so just be patient. There will be a wait. Please don't use the help button. Somebody's already doing that. It just makes things messy out here when I'm trying to do court, so please don't do that.
Okay.
You're going to room 28. Go ahead and hit join. Thank you. Who put the pro per next to Christopher Trevino? Was that you or was that? Okay. May I have that file, please? Let's take a look at what's going on there. Mr. Perry, join the breakout room. Thank you. Wow. My allergies are really bothering me. Okay, let's see what he's here for today. Sure. All right, Mr. Perry, we'll try this again. Please join the breakout room. Looks like Ariel Peterson is here for a review as well. If you could pull the Ariel Peterson file, please. Okay, I've got Mr. Trevino. Ms. Peterson will be with you in just a moment. We're waiting for a probation officer to join us, Ms. Peterson.
Okay.
Attorney Massaria, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you doing today?
Great, thanks. How are you today?
Not doing too bad.
Which case are you here on today?
I've got a probation violation for Tamara Palmer and then 2 pretrials.
Thank you. So Palmer, who are your 2 pretrials?
Clarence Tillman and Vasheen Tate. Bashan.
Right. I have you named. I've given you co-host. If you could, do you know how to check the rooms to see if your folks are here yet?
Yes.
Okay, if you would do that and mark their rooms if you see them, that way we'll pull House Counsel off of those. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, let's send the offer sheet, please. Madam Clerk, could you please forward the offer sheet to Massaria? Oh, I thought I saw it come in. If she sent it to me, I'll forward it to you. Okay, could you send it on to Massaria, please? She's got several clients with us today. Wade, unmute, please. I need a full name. Wade, please unmute. I need a full name. Can I have an ROA on Trevino when you have a moment? Please. Thank you. I have a device that says Wade. You need to unmute and give me a full name or I will have to remove you from the session.
Wade Pilot.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can do that before I hear your matter. There will be a wait. Please be prepared to wait. You're going to room 28. That means there's 27 people ahead of you and 2 attorneys working their way through those rooms. It will be quiet until they get there. If you know that you need to show them things like registration or insurance, gather those items while you wait, please. Room 28, please.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, no, my matter was just to show y'all guys I paid everything is paid up.
Okay.
So it's like.
All right, give us just a moment. I'll double check for you. Then you don't have to join the breakout room. Give me just a moment.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. And then can you pull the wait pilot file? Sorry, Madam Clerk, I don't even remember all the things I'm asking you to do at this point. Let's see what's going on with Mr. Trevino. Zoom user, please unmute, give me a name.
Robert Thomas.
Robert Thomas.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney. Have you spoken with an attorney at all outside of court?
No.
Okay, I'm going to place you in a breakout room to do that before I hear your matter. There are people in line ahead of you, 28 of them to be exact. That means you're going to have a wait. Please be patient. Use the time if you need it to gather documents if they're related to your case, like registration, insurance, repairs, etc. You're going to room 29. Please hit join and wait for the attorneys. Good morning. Is it Ms. Threet? Good morning. Is it Ms. Threet or Ms. Threat?
Threat.
Good morning. All right. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
Not today. No, ma'am.
Okay. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of your court dates at all?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's okay. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so that you can speak with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a line of people ahead of you, 29 of them, 2 attorneys working those rooms. That means there's a wait. Please wait patiently. Use the time to gather documents like registration or insurance if they relate to your case. You're going to room 30. Please hit join.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, how are we doing with compliance?
Well, it was from 3 years ago.
Oh, wow.
So we made the payment.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Pilot, go ahead and unmute. And let's turn your camera on. Devontae Perry, were you here previously?
Yes, I'm sorry. It logged me out. My phone.
And try not to do other things on your phone because I need to conduct court out here. So if everybody gets knocked off, that slows me down. Which room were you in?
29.
Okay, I'm gonna put you back there.
Okay.
Looks like there's someone in 29. Hold on. Yep, there's someone else there now. So now you're in 31 because I can't put you back in 29.
Okay.
Go ahead and join, please. Mr. Pilot, please turn on your camera. I'm ready to call your matter.
Down here.
Thank you. All right. I have ticket number SP 140738991, City versus Wade Pilot. Please state your name for the record.
Wade Pilot.
All right, thank you. All right, I'm trying to look back through your ROA. We don't have his file up here, Mr. Pilot. Thank you. All right, we have the probation officer here now. Thank you. All right, Mr. Pilot, we have confirmed that you have everything completed at this time. I can see what happened. It looks like you were dealing with some other things too, making payments. Okay. Thank you. Well, this is odd, isn't it? Look at the notation on the back of the ticket.
Oh, he had, it's something on the inside of it.
Gotcha. Okay.
I think he was dismissed because of his plea.
Okay, can I have that one, please? Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Pilot, we've confirmed that everything is done. We'll go ahead and close this matter out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, bye-bye.
Yeah. I'll leave it with you.
So what that means though is, good morning. Sorry, one moment. That predates this one. Okay. This is odd. Yeah, I can see what happened to him. Okay. All right. Let's deal with Ms. Peterson. Sorry, I need to get a couple people checked in and then we'll get there. And then Attorney Masseria, are you looking for me? Looks like Mr. Tillman is here now.
Okay, perfect. We were already on Palmer for the probation review.
Okay. If you want to bring her out, you can. Clarence Tillman, I'm going to move to room. Now we don't have rooms opening up very much today. I'm going to put Mr. Tillman in room 8. Clarence Tillman, please join room 8. And then it looks like Vashon Tate, is that one of yours as well?
Yes.
Okay, I put the wrong first initial, but we'll get Mr. Tate. Vashon Tate, good morning. I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with your attorney. Your attorney, he will be with you shortly. I'm going to move Mr. Tate to room 10. Mr. Tate, please join room 10. Okay, I have Ms. Palmer. I need just a moment there. I have the Tamara Palmer file. What are we doing with Ms. Palmer, Attorney Masseria?
So it's a review. She still has 2 classes to take and a fine. I just want to address that with the court. It's a probation from like 2014.
All right, thank you. Officer Bumpus, are you here on Peterson and Palmer?
No, Your Honor, just Miss Peterson.
Okay, thank you. Then we need to get, we'll call the Palmer one in just a moment. All right, Ms. Peterson, you can go ahead and turn your camera on, please. Calling ticket number. Thank you. Calling ticket number Z809043, City versus Ariel Peterson, you know what? Hold on. They've done this again with this. Why do they do this? Why do they do this with the green jackets? They just put anybody's name, they just put them into the file, like,
Oh, this is down
oh, I
here.
keep doing that, don't I? Okay, all right. City versus Ariel Peterson. Council appearance, please. Or do I have a council? Ms. Peterson, state your name for the record, please.
Ariel Peterson.
Thank you. Officer Bumpus.
Yes, and good morning, Your Honor. Lori Bumpus on behalf of probation.
Good morning. Looks like we're here for a review today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, in this case, Ms. Peterson was placed on probation December 15th, 2025 for a period of 1 year. Your Honor, since that time, she has successfully completed outpatient substance abuse treatment. That was on May 18th. She's also completed her victims impact panel and alcohol highway safety education class. She's done 15 days of community service. We got the referral back this morning and they commented that she was determined, focused. She displayed good work ethics, and she required little monitoring. And they thanked us for this referral, and they said that she would be missed. So she did really well in community service, and she enjoyed it as well. The only outstanding thing, Your Honor, she's been testing. Her tests have been negative. She did miss one test, June the 4th. I believe she didn't have the money to test that day. The only outstanding thing that she has to do is the 935 in fines and costs. However, we would ask that the court waive $180 because she's been testing out, not at the court. So that would bring it to $755 that she owes. She's not employed right now and she's been financially struggling. So I don't know what we might do in this case if she wants to do additional community service in lieu of the fines and costs. I discussed that with her. I don't think she wanted to do anymore, but.
All right, let's see. How many hours of community service did you do, Ms. Peterson?
120.
Okay. You did 120 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Yeah, she did 15 days, Judge.
Wow. Okay. Hold on one second. Well, I guess I'm curious. That's many more hours that would be required of the fine that I normally impose. So I'm trying to understand what was credited for all that community service she did.
That was part of the order, Your Honor. But if the court decided to credit that, we wouldn't have a problem with it. So I figured it out, Your Honor. So she actually, if it were monetary, her hours would have been $1,647.60.
All right. So, Ms. Peterson, we are at the stage where you can ask me, if you would like to credit you for the community service that you performed, and you can ask me to be released from probation because you're at the halfway mark under the law. So you can ask for that today. I just need you to unmute and ask me if that's what you want me to do.
Your Honor, I would love that. I'm almost about to cry. Like, I would love that, please.
Very good. I'm gonna tell you what, this is the way that when we do community service, we always hope it will work, right? That you're looking for work, but now you're connected to more people in the world who know what a good worker you are, how hard you work, right? And they sound like they have a lot of respect for you. So nice job getting all that done. I'm going to go ahead and credit you for the community service that you already did. And I'm going to release you from probation today because of your success. All right, stay on the right track.
Thank y'all so much. Thank you so much, Ms. Bumpus. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for this learning experience. I'm about to go hug my baby. Like, thank y'all so much. I'm crying.
Thank you. Thank you. Sounds like you did a great job, made everybody's job pretty easy around here. So thank you for that. All right. All right. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Judge. Take care, Ms. Peterson.
Thank you, Officer Bumpus.
All right.
I won't let you down. I promise you. I will remember you for the rest of my life.
Oh. Take care.
All right, guys.
All right,
Have a good
bye-bye.
bye.
And then on this shows account.
That was so wonderful to hear, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Okay.
Good morning, Madam Clerk, Madam Court Reporter.
Yeah, like you say, that's always how we hope it'll work, right? Like,
yeah, I think it's a great opportunity because you meet
so that it's a benefit to.
Yeah.
All right. What are we doing with Tamara Palmer, Attorney Masseria?
Judge, as previously stated, she's on still has a review. She still has those classes in the fine. It is from an incident that occurred 2014. So she failed to appear for one of the review dates, I think in 2015, and so it got bumped all the way back here.
Okay.
So I was gonna either ask the court in your discretion whether you'd discharge her. It's just the 298 plus the fine. I think she's paid like, let me pull it up.
You know her, does she know who her probation officer is?
She said she has had contact with a probation officer. She didn't drop a name. I'm not sure if she knows their name.
Ms. Palmer, do you know who your probation officer is?
Yes, Mrs. McCall. I don't know her first name.
Okay, all right. Attorney Masseria, I'm open to your request, but I do want to try to get the probation officer here since it's set for review. If you want, Ms. Palmer can hang out with me in the main session for a minute if you want to address your other cases while we call Officer McCall.
Sounds like a plan. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thanks. Ms. Palmer, just stand by. We'll be right back with you. I have Ms. Horn, let me get you co-host. Sorry about that. And then I have a device that just says Zoom user. I need you to unmute and give me a name, please. Zoom user, need you to unmute, give me a name, or I will have to remove you from the session.
My name is D'Angelo Tinsley.
I got D'Angelo. What's the last name?
Tinsley.
Tinsley?
Yes, ma'am.
Spoken with an attorney outside of court, Mr. Tinsley?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can do that. Before I hear your matter, there will be a wait, and it will be quiet in that room while you're waiting, but we can see you there. So you don't need to use the help button. We know they're getting to you as fast as they can, but you're in room 32, which means there's quite a few people ahead of you. All right?
Okay.
All right, go ahead and hit join and wait patiently. Please use the time to gather paperwork if you need to.
I'll try it.
All right, Madam Clerk, we've got some pleas that need to come on out of the breakout rooms. I'll give you the file names when you're ready.
And Judge, I'll pop right back in. I just got a call. I'll go there and I'll come right back.
Problem, we're busy for a minute. Okay, thanks.
All right, thanks.
Uh-huh. All right, those of you who are just pulled out of the breakout rooms, we'll be with you in just a moment. Just wait patiently, please. As soon as I have your files, we'll get going. Thank you.
Oh yeah, I'm coming. I'll call you when you come pick up.
Stop unmuting your device. I don't need you to unmute just yet. Madam Clerk, I have Gerard Trailer.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Thank you. All right, Mr. Trailer, you may unmute. I'm going to go ahead and call your matters.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Calling ticket P10321005 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Gerard Trailer and State versus Gerard Trailer. Mr. Trailer, just state your name for the record, please.
Gerard Trailer.
Thank you. I understand, Mr. Trailer, today you'll be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 1 count of improper plates, and 1 count of drag racing. Mr. Trailer, I need you to get into the camera and stop moving around, please. Thank you. Failure to display, improper plates, and drag racing. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
Yes. No.
Mr. Trailer, I'm going to stop your video because we have a delay. Please wait for me to ask the questions before you answer. Did anyone promise you anything other than what I stated to get you to plead guilty today, Gerard Trailer? Did
No, ma'am.
anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you will not have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on July 31st of 2022, in the area of Monroe and Beaubien, that you disobeyed the lawful order of a police officer?
Yes.
Is it also true, sir, that on August 23rd of 2024, in the area of well, I don't know. One moment, please. I can't understand the location on that ticket, so I'm not going to use it. Is it true that on July 7th of 2023, in the area of Monroe and Beaubien, that you operated a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Okay. One moment. Right, finally, your trailer. Why can't I see him on my screen anymore? Okay, there we go. I'm sorry, Mr. Trailer. I'm dismissing your failure to obey lawful order. That one was not part of your plea. I have too many people on the screen. That one is being dismissed pursuant to your plea. All right. So we've got your failure to display from July 7th of 2023, which you just pled to. Then I'm going to use ticket number P10321005 for your improper plate. Sir, is it true that October 9th of 2019 in the area of Schoolcraft Road and Penrod, that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit without a valid license, which we are reducing to improper plates?
Yes.
Mr. Trailer, whatever you're doing is really distracting to me. Please stop with all the background. I don't know what's going on, but I'm trying to take a plea. I've turned off your camera so that I could get rid of the delay, but that doesn't mean that you can be doing something else.
I'm not even doing anything.
Oh, you are, because you're the only one who's unmuted. So please. Well, now someone else is. All right. Is it also true, Mr. Trailer, that on October 10th of 2022, in the area of East Jefferson and St. Aubin, that you engaged in reckless driving, which they are reducing to drag racing?
Yes.
Okay. All right. On your failure to display, that's 190. On your improper plate, that's another 190. And then on your drag racing, Madam Clerk, does that have its own fine?
Drag racing, no.
Right. Drag racing, that's 190. Okay. So then What I'm doing, because you have 3 different fines, sir, is I'm giving you 90 days. Within those 90 days, you just need to do one of 2 things. That is pay these off in full, or if you know that you need a longer time to pay, see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse, let them know that you need a long-term payment plan, and give them the down payment they require within the 90 days to start on that long-term payment plan. As long as you do one of those 2 things, your deal today remains in place and you are getting a number of other tickets dismissed, okay?
Okay.
You
So
don't
can I
want to
come
lose.
down there now and pay it?
I would wait until tomorrow, just to make sure that everything is caught up. You do have a number of tickets that are getting dismissed, so those need to get entered into the system, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You
Bye-bye.
too. Thank you.
Okay. Tasia Tolbert, good morning. What's our next bench trial date?
Good morning.
Good morning. Would you take Ms. Tolbert? Thank you. Ms. Tolbert, we'll give you July 6th at 9:30 a.m.
Okay.
Okay, have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Okay. We got Thompson, Terrell, and Taylor. Dantes Taylor, unmute, please.
Yes.
Calling ticket number P1568619, City versus, nope, that's not the right file. Sorry, that's the wrong Taylor. All right. I don't have that one. That's Tyrone Taylor, and I need Dantes Taylor. Oh, there's Tyrone Taylor. I can take that one though. He's on screen too. Sorry, that's why we're confused. Thank you. All right. Sorry, Tyrone Taylor. Ticket number P1568619, City versus Tyrone Taylor. Sir, unmute, state your name for the record, please. Tyrone Taylor.
Tyrone Taylor II.
Thank you, sir. Looks like you're going to plead guilty on the firearm charge with a 12-month delay, meaning it'll get dismissed in 12 months, and 1 count of failure to display, everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I do.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on April 22nd of 2026, in the area of Burlingame and Dexter, that you discharged your firearm within city limits?
Yes.
All right, says you were shooting at a raccoon, you were hunting raccoons?
No, it was 1 shot.
Okay. And then is it true that on August 20th of 2024, in the area of Oakman and Woodrow Wilson, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Each of these carries a fine of $190. You have 12 months on the firearm one, 90 days on the failure to display. All right, get those paid, or at least even on the 90-day one, you can get on a payment plan if you want to stretch that one out to a year or 2, but you have to get that done within the 90 days, okay?
Okay, so my license will be suspended until those fines are paid, correct?
I don't, that you have to confirm with Secretary of State because I don't know everything that you have. I'm going to give you a review date, but you don't have to come back unless you pick up a similar ticket or don't get your fine paid. If one of those things happens, you'll come back and see me in a year on June the 15th of 2027 at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Yeah, have a good one.
Some folks in here. Attorney Taylor's here. All right. One moment, please. If you were just admitted, I'll be with you in a moment. Attorney Taylor, what case are you here on? Where did he go? Officer Williams, which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm for reckless driving for Childress, Tyrell.
Okay, he just got here, so that's good. All right. I'm gonna get you into breakout room number 1 so you can see the city attorney.
Thank you.
Go ahead and join for me, please. Is there a reason that Akili Trice is out?
I haven't pulled anybody out.
Thank you. All right, Attorney Taylor, good morning. Which cases are you here on, please?
How you doing, Your Honor? Tyrese Childress.
Okay, thank you. All parties are here then on that one.
I bet the officers are here.
Yeah, one officer just got here, so
Okay.
there's at least one officer here on that matter.
Okay.
All right,
I need to talk to the people then. Okay.
All right, I'll send you to room 2. You do have co-hosts, but I'll put you in room 2, and I will put Mr. Childress in room 6.
Okay. 2 and 6. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, Mr. Childress. Please go to room 6. Please join room 6.
You ain't never seen a bitch around.
All right, I have Kenneth Trammell. Good morning. Please unmute. Where's Kenneth Trammell? I don't know where he went. Okay, too many people today. Kenneth Terrell. Do I have Kenneth Terrell? Where's everybody? Thank you. All right. Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Terrell. Calling ticket number P1907680, City versus Kenneth Terrell. Mr. Terrell, just state your name for the record, please.
Kenneth Terrell III.
Thank you. Looks like they're going to dismiss the license ticket, and then you were going to admit to the reduced charge of 1 to 5 over limited access, a 0-point ticket. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Right. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I do.
Thank you, sir. Are you admitting that on April 30th of 2026 in the area of westbound Chicago and Prairie, you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit?
Yes.
Thank you. We'll enter that as a limited access ticket. The fine is $125. You have 60 days to pay it in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. Have a good day.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. Now, do I have Isaiah Thompson? Madam, Ms. Vinik, do you need us?
No, I was just waiting for the
Yes,
city
Your Honor.
attorney. So while I just figured I'd come out here, but I'm going to go wait in room 2 then for her because I think you're taken care of.
Okay, thank you. Calling ticket number P1815141 and X4512967, City versus Isaiah Thompson. Mr. Thompson, state your name for the record, please.
Isaiah Marquise Thompson.
Thank you. Mr. Thompson, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to a firearm violation and also providing false ID or information. Is that correct with everything else being dismissed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
And I should say this is a facsimile firearm charge. All right. Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I will.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on April 4th of 2025 in the area of I-96 and Grand River in Detroit that you furnished false information to a police officer?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true, sir, that on October 26th of 2025 in the area of West Buena Vista and Roselawn, that you were in possession of a facsimile firearm?
Ma'am.
All right, thank you. Each of these carries a fine of $190. I'm giving you 90 days to get them paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers if you need more time to pay. The cashiers will want a down payment from you, and you will need to give them that down payment to begin the payment plan within the 90 days to keep your deal in place. For the record, your other charges are dismissed. Have a good day, Mr. Thompson.
Thank you.
Mhm. All right, may I have, Madam Clerk, I need D'Angelo Tinsley.
How you doing?
Very. Good morning, Mr. Tinsley. All
Good
right, I'm
morning.
looking at your feed and I need to be looking at your face, please. Calling ticket
Yes.
number P1895184 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus D'Angelo Tinsley. Mr. Tinsley, just turn your phone around so I can see your face. There we go. All right. How you doing this morning?
I'm good, and you?
Good, thank you. Just state your name for me.
D'Angelo too.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 1 count of improper plates, and we're going to dismiss everything else. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead
No.
guilty?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial.
No, I didn't get that right, but I'm gonna just take it.
Let me explain it to you. You do have the right to a trial. At a trial, you would have the right to see, hear, and question witnesses against you, have a subpoena witnesses on your behalf. You would also have the choice to remain silent and not testify or to speak on your own behalf. You'd have the right to be presumed innocent unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand all of that?
All right.
All right. And you understand that if I accept your plea today, you will not have those rights because there will not be a trial.
All right.
All right. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, sir, that on February 9th of 2022 in the area of Hayden and Pickford, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit without insurance?
That's not true.
All right. Sounds like you need to go back in to speak with your attorney.
Yeah, I do, because I never was on hating nothing.
Right.
So that have to be.
I have another ticket that I could use, and then this one would be dismissed. But I will tell you that it is part of your plea bargain that these were being dismissed. So if you're saying that this is false identity and that that was not you, then it changes the benefit that you're getting from the plea
On
bargain.
hating, yes, on hating, no, that's not true. So I'm gonna have to go
All
back
right.
in.
I'm going to get Attorney Vianick back out here to speak with you. Give me just a moment.
Okay.
Okay, we'll keep Mr. Tinsley's file for a moment. Oh boy. Okay, guys, sorry, trying to take these in order. Where's Dantes Taylor? Here we go. All right.
Here.
Calling ticket number P1891459, City versus Dantes Taylor. Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Dantes Taylor.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor looks like going to plead guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, which is a reduced charge, and anything else would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on April 17th of 2026 in the area of Devonshire and East Warren that you drove without a valid license, which we are reducing to the charge of failure to display?
It was, I don't believe it was on Devonshire, but yeah.
Okay, Attorney Vianic, this is the second person who's now told me the location is incorrect. We started with D'Angelo Tinsley, who as part of his plea was having a ticket dismissed that alleged on February 9th of 2022 in the area of Hayden and Pickford that he operated a vehicle without insurance and with a revoked license. That was 2022, but he says he doesn't remember ever having been at that location. So, you know, that would change the benefit of his plea, obviously, if charges are being dismissed that he doesn't have any memory of getting. So I will put Mr. Tinsley back into a breakout room so that you can revisit him. I did tell him I do have a valid ticket that I can use that would cover both of the charges he wants to plead to. And that one would be dismissed, but I want to make sure that he understands the impact on his, you know, the effect of his plea bargain. I'm going to go ahead and put Mr. Tinsley. Are you evens or odds?
I am evens.
Okay, I'm going to put Mr. Tinsley in room 12.
Okay.
Mr. Tinsley, please join room 12 now. And then Dantes Taylor, who this is his only ticket in front of me. Well, he's getting one. He's got a 2026. These are both from the same date, same location on Dantes Taylor. And they are alleged to have occurred at Devonshire and East Warren on April 17th of 2026. They are related to a 2017 gray Chevrolet, which they have written had no plate. So that is for Dantes Taylor, who I will now send to breakout room so that you can revisit him. Dantes Taylor, which room were you in?
I don't know.
All right, give me a minute. I don't see where you were. Hold on.
Dantes Taylor.
I'll go ahead and move him to room 10. So you'll have folks in 10 and 12. All right.
That's fine. Thank you.
Room 10, Dantes Taylor. Let me get Masaria's name off of that room so we don't.
There's somebody in, yeah, there's a Vashon. There's somebody else in there right now.
They're out here with me and they're already getting out here. So there's nobody there. They just look like it, but nobody else.
Okay, perfect. I'll go into 10 and 12. All right, thank you. Okay.
On the iPad, unmute, give me a name, please.
Nasri Bagis.
Where did he go? All right, Attorney Massaria, let's get your folks done. Can you spell your first name, please, Mr. Pigwees?
Nazahrie.
Nazahrie. Okay, thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court, Mr. Pigwees?
No.
All right, it's not a trick question. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of your court dates?
No.
Okay, I'm going to put you in a breakout room so that you can see an attorney before I hear your matter.
Okay.
All right, you're going to room 33. That means there's a line and a wait. Wait patiently, please, and don't use the help button. We know you're there and waiting. All right, can I have files on Deshaun Tate and Mr. Pigwees, please, out room. Oh, boy. Why is it so chaotic this morning? Good morning. How are you? All right, calling ticket number P1871993 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Deshaun Tate. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Frank Massaria, P. 87848, standing in for Attorney Reese Carpenter on behalf of Mr. Tate. Mr. Tate, please state your full name for the record. You got yourself muted.
Yes. Vashawn Demetrius Tate.
Thank you. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I've tried to silence this phone 3 times this morning. It just keeps going. I don't know why. Give me 1 moment, please, so I can make sure.
No worries, Judge.
Okay. All right. So we have Deshaun Tate. We have name on the record. How are we proceeding, counsel?
We're asking for a bench trial date, Judge.
All right, thank you. Our next bench trial date is going to be July 6th at 9:30. Does that work?
That does work for Mr. Carpenter.
Right. We'll see you back then, Mr. Tate, okay? July 6th at 9:30 a.m.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Okay. Ms. Thread, I see you. Just a moment, please. And then Ms. Troy, I don't know, ma'am, if you have on a top, but it doesn't look like it the way that you're in camera. So you might want to put something on so it doesn't appear that way. Okay. I know it's summertime and that can happen. All right. Let's go to Tillman. Calling ticket number P1537970 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Clarence Tillman. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Recommend P 87848, standing in for Attorney Reese Carpenter on behalf of Mr. Tillman. Mr. Tillman, please state your full name for the record.
Clarence Eugene Tillman.
Thank you. How are we proceeding?
Asking for a bench trial date in regards to this one as well, Judge.
Same date work, July 6th at 9:30 a.m.
It works perfectly.
Okay. All right, Mr. Tillman, we'll see you back then, July 6th at 9:30 a.m. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Did we call for probation for Ms. Palmer?
Yeah, she said she was gonna pull up some stuff and focus.
All right.
I mean, yeah.
They're supposed to be logging in on Palmer.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Give me just a moment. Let's go to calling Penniman. So please go ahead and unmute. Ladonis Penniman, turn on your camera. Calling ticket number P1892160 and P1892772. Both of these are City versus Ladonis Penniman Jr. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Ladonis Penniman Jr.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of failure to display a valid license. And then you are having responsible to the window tent, and then everything else is being dismissed.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Did anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, it's the truth.
Thank you. All right, sir. Is it true that on May 1st of 2026 in the area of Tireman and Hayden that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Are you also admitting that you had improperly tinted windows on your vehicle at that time?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, on your failure to display, that's 190 window tint, Madam Clerk.
120.
Thank you. All right. 120 on the window tint, 190 on the failure to display. All right. 60 days to get them paid or get on a payment plan.
Okay.
All right. As long as you do
All
one
right.
of those things, the things that we're dismissing stay dismissed. Okay.
Okay.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right, Dantes Taylor, I see you're back out. Did you speak with the attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you wish to proceed with your plea?
Yes.
Okay, one moment, please. Calling ticket number or recalling ticket number P1891459 and P1890977 City versus Dantes Taylor. Mr. Taylor, state your name again for the record, please.
Dantes Taylor.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Taylor, looks like you are pleading guilty to the one count of failure to display, which is the reduced charge. Anything else would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we went over your rights before. Please raise your right hand once again, though, and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on April 17th of 2026 in the area of Devonshire and East Warren, that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Your fine there is $190, 60 days to get it paid in full, or see the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan. Give them their down payment within the 60 days and case remains as it is today. Okay.
Okay.
Have a good day.
You too.
Okay. All right, phone number ending in 2202. I need a name, please.
Fletcher Tarver.
Thank you. Mr. Tarver, have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm going to place you in a breakout room so you can do that before I hear your matter. Ms. Troy, go ahead and unmute, please. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, ma'am.
All right, we're renaming you so that we know your officer is here and you're here for trial. Please try to remain in the session. Do not use your phone to do other things because that'll get you kicked off. Fletcher Tarver, you are going to room 34. Please hit join. Ms. Troy, I'm going to place you in room 8. Please hit join. Okay. Akili Trice, you have your hand raised. You've come back out of the breakout room. How may I help you?
Yes, I spoke with someone. I was just trying to see what was, am I supposed to be in here or am I still waiting to talk?
Yeah, I don't know until they send you back out with instructions. What did they tell you when they came and spoke with you?
I believe she said she was going to talk to someone and then my screen said suspended.
Okay, so she went to talk to someone because your license is still showing suspended then. And so you need to go back to your breakout room because that means she has to talk with the city attorney about what they can do about your matter.
Okay.
As you can see, this is what slows me down, right? I'm supposed to be taking pleas now and moving through the docket. You were asked to wait patiently by me. Your attorney has asked you to wait for her, and here you are. So I need you to go back to your room. They're coming back, please.
Okay, can someone send me that link?
I don't have the ability to send you back to the same room.
Okay.
What room were you in? Yeah,
I'm
you were one of the first people here, so you have been waiting a while. I can see that. Unfortunately, she's got to talk to the city attorney before she can address your case. So, Mr. Trice, I'm going to send you to room 20, and then I'll move you back to room 3. Please watch your device.
Okay.
Go to room 20 now, and then I'm going to move you back to 3. Ms. Threat, same thing. Please unmute. How may I help you?
I was speaking with an attorney and she didn't get a chance to finish. She was explaining the plea, and then I guess her service cut off and we never got a chance to finish talking.
Okay, well, you're in room 30. Return there, please. She knows you're there. And I will send her a reminder that you're there, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Please see if you can get yourself back in that room. Otherwise, I'm going to have to move you. Okay, Ms. Threat, please watch your device. I'm going to have to move you twice. I'm going to move you to 13 and then, okay, she got herself back. Thank you. Okay. D'Angelo Tinsley. Mr. Tinsley, good morning again.
Come on.
All right, looks like we're going to set your matters for a bench trial so they can try to get to the bottom of whatever is going on with that one location that you did not recognize. Our next trial date is July the 6th at 9:30.
Okay.
But actually, I think, one moment, please. Mr. Tinsley, I'm gonna have you come back. Madam Clerk, would you text Mr. Tinsley? He needs appointed counsel because someone's gonna need to pull discovery here. So, Mr. Tinsley, your return date is going to be June 29th at 9:15 a.m. Madam Clerk is sending you a chat so that we can appoint counsel to you. She's going to need some contact information from you. Please look at the chat. Please start your camera and then look at the chat so I know that you can see.
Okay, I can see.
Okay, she needs you to send that information back to her, please.
Okay, how do I do that?
Well, you should see a chat come up on your phone.
Okay, I see chat.
So do you see a message from the clerk?
Yes. Your phone number and email address. Okay. Yes, I see it now. Hey, Your Honor, I should say.
Okay, so June 29th at 9:15 a.m. so that we can get you with appointed counsel.
Okay.
June 29th, 9:15 a.m. We'll see you back.
Okay.
Did you get his info?
I'm sending her.
Don't log off without sending that. Okay.
Okay,
thank
yeah,
you.
I'm sorry. I'm sending out.
All right, thank you. Officer McCall is here. Attorney Masseria, Officer McCall is here. And let's see, get the Palmer file.
Okay.
Hi, Officer. Oh, do you need to go into breakout room with Officer McCall? Do you want to do that before I hear, or do you want to do something else?
Sure, I could touch base with Officer McCall.
Okay, Officer McCall, good morning. Thank you for joining us. It's good to see you.
Always a pleasure, Judge. Thank you.
I'm going to get you into room 10 because defense counsel would like to speak with you.
No worries. Thank you.
Okay. I've given you co-host, but I'll move you to 10 and then counsel, you can go to 10. Thank you.
Thank you.
Officer Williams, remind me which case you were here again on, please. I need you to name your device when you come back, if you come back again, please.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm sorry about that. I'm here for, what was it, Childress, Tyrese.
All right, because you don't want to sit here and get a case dismissed just because I don't know which case you're here on, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
All right, getting you into room 1 so city attorney can come and find you and talk to you. Can I have the Robert Thomas file, please, when you have a moment? Let me know when you have Mr. Tinsley's response.
I have his phone number. I don't have his email.
I'm sending a Gmail right now, man.
Okay. All right, thank you. Robert Thomas, good morning. Go ahead and unmute, please. Turn on your camera.
All right, got the Gmail now?
Yes, I have.
All right, we have everything now, Mr. Tinsley. Watch your phone and your email for communication from an attorney. If you don't hear from one before you come back the next time, you'll see them when you come in on that day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good day.
All right, have a good day.
Bye-bye. All right. Mr. Thomas, calling ticket number P1901219 and P1901005, City versus Robert Thomas. Mr. Thomas, just state your name for the record, please.
Robert Thomas.
Thank you. Looks like we're going to get a counsel appointed for you. Did someone already get your email address and phone number and all of that?
Yes.
Okay, very good. I'm going to have you come back on June the 29th at 9:15 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Please log back in June 29th, 9:15.
Right. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
Sure.
Let's bring Ortez Thompson, maybe. Let's see what's going on there. All right, we need to follow up with Vionic. Where is she? Where's Vionic? I don't see her. Do you? I'm confused. There she is. They need an SOS on Fletcher Tarver. I have the Devontae Perry file when you have a moment, please. All right, Mr. Perry, good morning again. Go ahead and get yourself situated in a place where you can be still, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Calling ticket number P1899795 and P1899745, City versus Devontae Perry. Mr. Perry, state your name for the record, please.
Yes, Devontae Perry.
Thank you. All right. Looks like you're going to plead guilty to the failure to secure load with a 3-month delayed sentence, meaning it will be dismissed as long as you're in compliance at the end of the 3 months. Then you're going to be pleading responsible to 1 to 5 over limited access. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. For the record, pursuant to your plea bargain, we are also removing 3 matters from default. One of those is being replaced with the 1 to 5 over limited access. That's the disregarding red or yellow light, which would have put points on your record. The 1 to 5 over limited access does not. I'm sorry, in case I didn't do it already, please raise your right hand, swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on April 16th of 2026 in the area of East 7 Mile and Beach, that you failed to properly secure a load that you were carrying?
Yes.
All right, thank you. And then are you also admitting at that same date and location that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit, which we are entering as a limited access ticket?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. On your failure to secure, 190. On your speeding, 125. Okay, 60 days to get them paid or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. You can do that within the 60 days as well. As long as you do so, your deal remains in place. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Attorney Horn, I think I gave you co-host, right? Attorney Vionic, I know you have a number of them where they say they're sending you documents.
Yep.
And a couple of people have started raising their hands for help in those rooms. So I just want you to know.
Okay. Fine.
And yes,
Also-
I have co-host, Your Honor. Thank you. I'll go to room 2, Ms.
Okay.
Vionic.
Okay.
Good morning, Ms. Vionic.
Perfect. Okay. I need an SOS also on the last person that's present in court. That's Fletcher Tarver.
Okay, we'll get that
It's
done.
valid. He keeps coming in and out, so his rooms keep getting changed.
Oh, okay. It's valid. All right. Thank you. Okay.
All right, we're ready. I need Deja Poke to come out. She won't come out. Let me see if I can get her out. And can I have that file? POKE. Thank you. Yeah. she's not paying any attention, so I'm gonna have to remove her to get her to come out. See what's going on with Christopher Trevino.
No.
Mr. Trevino, could you print out the offer sheets for me, please? Mr. Trevino, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Okay.
All right. It says you wish to appear pro per. Is that correct? You do not wish to make use of the attorneys made available to you today?
Right.
Okay, give me just a moment. Thank you. There's an offer here. So I brought you out so that I can convey the offer to you. You are perfectly within your rights to represent yourself if that's what you wish to do, but you need to be aware that you are expected to perform at the same standards that an attorney would perform. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
You've got a single charge. I don't see an offer here. I will need to have the city attorney speak with you to determine whether or not she's going to make an offer in your case. Okay. Or
Okay.
or if you know you want to take it to trial, you can do that, but we need to get her in to see you so that she can make you an offer. All right.
Okay.
All right. Let me bring her out when she's ready. Okay, so let's get you back into Mr. Trevino. Let's get you into room 5. I'm going to have to move you twice. So you're going to move to room 11 and then room 5. Please watch your device. Join 11 so I can move you back to 5, please. Okay. Ms. Pope, good morning to you.
Good morning.
I removed you because we've been ready to take your plea for a little while, but I couldn't get you to come out of the breakout room. All right, calling ticket number P1899471, City versus Deja Nicole Pope. Ma'am, please just state your name for the record.
Deja Pope.
Thank you. And Ms. Pope, it appears you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, and 1 count of improper plates. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
I'm sorry?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Ms. Pope, did you speak with the attorney?
Yes, I did. I spoke with her.
Did the attorney advise you that you have the right to a trial?
She didn't say anything about trial. No, she did not. She told me what was going on. She put me in the waiting room and I got booted out. Came back in here and I'm talking to you.
Okay, so you only got booted out because I came in to try to get your attention and I couldn't because we were ready to get your case done. Okay, so that's how I got you to come back in. I will advise you of your trial rights now on these misdemeanor charges. You do have the right to have a trial. If you had a trial, you would have the right to see, hear, and question any witnesses against you and have us subpoena witnesses on your behalf. You would have the right to remain silent or to choose to testify on your own behalf. If you chose to remain silent, the government could not make any comment as to your choice to remain silent. You'd also have the right to be presumed innocent unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Those are all the rights that you would have at trial on your misdemeanor matters. Do you understand?
Yes.
And do you understand you will not have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Okay.
Yes. I need you to look at me. I'm asking you questions that are important to your plea. Do you understand that you will not have the rights that you would have at a trial today if I accept your plea because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
All right. Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me is the truth. Just need an answer, please. Ms. Polk, do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes.
Is it true, ma'am, that on June 30th of 2021 in the area of southbound Gratiot and Sheridan in the city of Detroit, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Is it also true that you did not have insurance at that time?
Yes.
Which we are reducing to improper plates. Okay. And then finally, is it true that on December 5th of 2023, in the area of Hubble and Eaton, that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
I don't remember that day, but okay. I don't remember that day, so I can't say yes or no because I don't remember that.
All right. I can ask the city attorney if she's willing to accept this as a no contest plea. Otherwise, I can try to use one of your other tickets if you have a better memory. Well, here's one. Why don't we try this? We'll do this one. On April 23rd of 2026, in the area of West Fort and Springwell Street, were you operating a motor vehicle?
You said April what?
April 23rd, 2026, in the area of West Fort and Springwells. Were you operating a motor vehicle at that date and location in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
All right. Were you able to show a valid license to the officer at that time when they requested it?
No. Hold on one second. DJ, you have to be quiet, sweetie. I'm sorry.
That's okay. All right. On your allowing, it's 190. On your improper plate, it's 100. And then on your FTD, I have to go back to 190 because it's on its own ticket. So you have two fines of 190, one fine of 100. I'm giving you 90 days to do one of two things. And that is either pay these off in full or at least start on a payment plan with the cashiers down on the first floor. If you want a longer term payment plan, just give them their down payment within the 90 days and everything will stay in place. Okay.
Okay, like will I do I have to go up there in person or will that get sent to my home?
You can pay your tickets online through the court's website by looking up a case or balance. You may also pay at any of the DivDap machines in the city of Detroit, but you will need to have exact change at those machines. They won't give you change back. Or you can pay in person at the courthouse, especially if you know you're going to need a long-term payment plan. You have to come in and see the cashiers on the first floor. Okay.
Okay. Do I have like a case number that I'm supposed to give them?
You can just use your name, ma'am. They'll be able to look it up by your name. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, madam. All right. We'll get to Ms. Palmer in just one moment. Mr. Townsell, good morning. I have taken number P1491765 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Jeremy Townsell. Mr. Townsell, please unmute. State your name for the record.
Jeremy Townsell.
Thank you. The next bench trial date that I have is for July 7th. I thought we might be getting a little heavy. All right. July 7th of 2026,
Okay.
right, at 9:30 a.m. We'll see you back. Just zoom in July 7th, 2026 for bench trial. Okay?
Okay. Do I report to the same courtroom?
Yes, same way.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Just one moment on Ms. Palmer. Sorry, guys, one moment.
I'm free to go.
Yes, you are free to go, Mr. Townsend. We'll see you back on your court date, on your next court date. This one I might be able to pull out. Madam Clerk, we'll need to revisit this one. I want to make sure that all of the eligible tickets are placed on the docket for his next court date, so it doesn't get messy.
Okay.
Okay, we know what's in default. If not, thank you. Okay, on Palmer, calling ticket number Z 803-733, City versus Tamara Palmer. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Franklin Area P 87848, standing in for Attorney Reese Carpenter on behalf of Miss Palmer. Miss Palmer, please state your full name for the record.
Tamara Palmer.
Thank you. And Officer McCall, good morning again. Good to see you. Your name for the record.
Pleasure, Judge. Good morning. Michael McCall on behalf of the Probation Department.
Thank you. All right, counsel.
Yes, Judge. So I went back and forth with probation. The probation department is asking for an extension of probation for Miss Palmer to go into compliance. And the alternative would be asking for a discharge from probation. I don't know if you want to hear from probation first or would rather hear from my argument first.
I'll get, why don't I hear from probation first so I know exactly where we are with things, and then I will hear your argument. Thank you. Officer McCall.
Yes, Judge. Miss Palmer was placed on probation on October 1st, 2014 for 12 months. She was ordered to pay $685 and assess fines and costs. Shall not use or possess any illegal substance, no prescription drug, no valid prescription, submit to drug urinalysis, shall not consume any alcohol beverages, pay all outstanding traffic tickets, complete the view the consequence video, complete the alcohol highway and the victim's impact panel. And Ms. Palmer warrant was canceled on this case on March 17th, 2026. And she last appeared by Zoom on April 14th, 2026, and by Zoom, and per the court instructed Ms. Palmer to take care of her outstanding warrant with Ionia, Michigan, pay all outstanding traffic tickets in full, complete the alcohol highway safety class, the victim's impact, view the consequence video, and pay the balance of her assessed fines and costs. And the court did waive $178, which will bring the total down to $120 that Ms. Palmer will be responsible to pay. But
all right, can I stop you one moment,
yes,
Officer McCall? Ms. Palmer?
Yes.
My name is Malika Ramsey-Heath. Your name and the fact that there's an Ionia connection causes me to ask, have I ever represented you before as an attorney?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, thank you. All right, Officer McCall, please proceed.
Yes, Judge. So the probation department is recommending that we adjourn this case for 30 days for Ms. Palmer to take care of her alcohol highway and the victim's impact and to view the consequences. She indicated that she had some issues contacting Mr. Alexander that handles those classes. So therefore, the probation department is asking that we adjourn it and that the court delete the $178 off her probation. And that'll bring it down to $120 and she'll be responsible to pay the $120. And she indicated that she will be able to make that online payment on tomorrow.
Okay.
And just give her another 30 days to come back.
So we have $120 still owed. Is there anything else that remains to be done in terms of her probation?
Yes, those 3 classes, Judge.
Those classes. She said she's having trouble getting in touch with somebody?
Yes, Judge.
All right. And so back in 2014, she was placed on the 12 months of probation. And was she ever reporting, Officer McCall?
Yes, she was under the supervision of a prior officer, and she was reporting then. But however, she had a review date to return, and Miss Palmer never came back. So that's how the warrant was issued.
And when was that, Officer McCall, if you know?
Let's see. I'm going to look right now. Let's see. That date was, let's see, October 1st, 2015.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Attorney Messeri.
Yes, Judge. So obviously this case is quite old. I do understand Ms. Palmer is the one who failed to appear, so obviously the burden would be on her for that. But this case does go back way back to 2014. Since then, there are no misdemeanors in the 36th District Court. I did see she had 2 civil infractions, but those have been completely paid off by now. I did also note that on April 14th, 2026, Ms. Palmer did make a substantial payment. I believe it was in the amount of $520, the ROA states. So she did make quite a substantial payment there. Obviously, Ms. Palmer is represented by attorney Reese Carpenter, who I did have a conversation with yesterday. He did confirm that Ms. Palmer has made substantial attempts to contact Dr. Alexander between messages, left phone calls that he did verify. So I know that Ms. Palmer, it's her not taking the classes. She's tried to. She's been trying to make attempts to get enrolled in these classes, and be on top of that, she just wasn't able to get enrolled because of the lack of contact with Dr. Alexander. She did state she did talk to Dr. Alexander at some point. He said he would circle back to her to get her enrolled. He said what the payments would be for those classes, and he just never did get back in contact with her, which I'm sure he is a quite busy individual, so I don't fault him for that. But Ms. Palmer has made substantial attempts to contact him, get enrolled in these classes, and she did make a substantial payment. Because of the age of this case, I would be asking for a discharge from probation. In the alternative, if the court does deny that, I would be asking for what probation is asking for, that extended month to make Ms. Palmer finish up any loose ends here.
All right, thank you. Any discharge from probation at this time would be unsuccessful discharge, which I don't really want to do to her given the amount of money that she's already paid, and the couple of things that she's got left to complete. But there are still, this is a case where she kind of went missing after starting probation, right? And went missing for quite a long time. And while I do appreciate the efforts now, I can't really reward the fact that somebody just kind of absconds from probation for 10 years and doesn't finish up. So I do appreciate the more recent efforts. Let's do the adjournment to try to let her get finished up so that we can successfully discharge her from probation, given the fact that she's already paid all of this money. She's already paid $520. I will go ahead and delete the $178, leaving her with just $120 to pay. Of course, I'm always open to community service if that's something that she needs, but it means $120 is left over the course of 30 days and get these few classes done. The 30-day review date would put us at July 15th. All right, so let's do July 15th at 8:35 for review. Hopefully by then everything is done. All right, or we're at a point where I can at least successfully discharge her. All right.
I completely understand, Judge. Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Thank you so much, Judge, and have a great day.
All right. Thank you.
Thank
And
you
that's
for
Officer
being
McCall. Ms. Palmer, I'm going to need you to zoom back in at that 30-day mark. Let's see if you can get everything done, okay?
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Ms. Palmer. Thank you.
Okay.
You guys have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Madam Clerk. And then we'll go to Childress, please. We need to make sure this form goes to C. All right, calling ticket number P185-8256, City versus Tyrese Childress. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Tyrese Childers. Mr. Childers, could you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Tyrese Childers.
Childers, I'm
Thank
sorry.
you.
Hey,
I think
Your
you
Honor,
may have, Attorney Taylor, just so you know, I'm looking at your feed. I think you, I don't know if you meant, and now I'm going to be looking at somebody's file. So flip your camera. Oh, that's his file. Okay, but still, it's yours.
okay, can you hear me now? Okay, sorry. Hey, Your Honor,
I'm sorry.
okay, can you see me?
No,
Oh, wow.
looks like your camera is reversed, like you just flipped it down.
Oh. I don't really know what that. Sorry. Well, anyway, Your Honor, you want me to call back in? What we're doing, Your Honor? We need an
No, it's,
we need
yes, what, okay.
we need an adjournment, Your Honor. There's a video cam that's missing, and so we're looking for a 30-day adjournment.
Have you received some discovery? I see we adjourned it back on April 23rd.
Yes, I got the written, but I have no video. It's supposed to be a video, and I requested it, but I haven't received it, Your Honor. And my client indicates to me that the video would have effect upon this case, and I would prefer to see it. And I requested it, and I don't know if it's available or not. I know I have not received it.
Okay. Have you spoken with Ms. Horn about that this morning?
Yeah, I have. She said she no objection to a 30-day objection. I mean,
I just want to make sure.
yes,
On your
I did.
request.
I spoke to her, Your Honor. I did.
No further adjournments for discovery. You know, we got to keep it moving. So July 15th
All right, let me see, Your Honor. Oh, let's do that.
is my next pretrial date. That would put us 30 days out. I'm sorry, that's not my next pretrial. That's my 30-day date, July 15th.
Good, just a second, Your Honor. July 15th. Yes, that's a good date, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, July 15th, 9:15 a.m. We'll see you back for the final pretrial, all right?
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Sorry about the camera. Bye. All right, Mr. Childers, I'll be in touch. Yeah.
All right.
We gotta get all these folks out of here that have documents. I don't understand what's going on here. So let's look at, can I have a file on Anthony Tillery? The only thing we're waiting on is insurance on Anthony Tillery. May I have the file on Tamia Taylor? Thank you. No, she's got a 16 to 20 over. All right. Gregory Price Jr., may I have that file, please? Thank you. Window tent there. May I have the file on Artez Thompson, please? Thank you. Did we do, yeah, he's valid. Okay, bring him out. Mr. Thompson, I'll be right with you. Please just wait patiently. Thank you. I'm going to turn your camera off for a moment. What's going on with the Kilo Trice? we got to get regrouped here. On can I have the file on Fletcher Tarver, please? Mr. Tarver will be right with you.
Okay.
Chanel Pugh may have that file, please. Thank you. All right, all these folks have valid licenses and they're just supposed to be submitting documents. We had an officer here on Attorney Taylor's case. Was it set for trial? And we're still waiting for discovery? Yeah, that's. All right. All right, I need the attorneys. I can't get Mr. Tillery to come out. Let's see if I can get him. I'm going to ask Attorney Bienek to come on back up here. Yeah, I know. Hey, Attorney Bienek.
Yes,
All right, I see you're in with Tillery. That's a dismissal.
correct.
I'm out Fletcher Tarver.
Yes. His license is valid. He said he has some documents with him.
Okay, we'll check those. Ortez Thompson.
Ortez Thompson. Yeah, I just spoke with Ms. Horn. That's going to be a dismissal as well.
Okay.
And
So we've got Tillery, Tarver, Thompson. All right.
those are all
And
going to
then
be dismissals.
Ms. Pugh.
Miss Pugh is, hold on, that Miss Pugh. And Nina Troy is going to be a dismissal as well.
Okay.
Miss Pugh is not mine.
Okay, I'll take care of her. She's valid. All right, so then I don't know if you have Gregory Price or Tamia Taylor.
I have Gregory Price. Yes, that's going to be, I have to just speak to him about his plea.
Okay, yep, he's got a window tint ticket. And then Tamia Taylor, she's got a 16 to 20 over attached to her ticket
Yeah,
as well.
I'm going to speak to her too. Okay, very
I'll
good.
take care of
Thank you. Okay, yep. Okay, thanks.
All right, if I call your name, please unmute your device and turn your camera on so we can do your matter. We're going to begin with Chanel Pugh. Ticket number P19035669, City versus Chanel Pugh. Ms. Pugh, please unmute and start your camera. Good morning. All right, we have verified the validity of your driver's license with the Secretary of State, and Defense Counsel has reviewed your insurance documentation, negotiated a dismissal with the city attorney, which I'm going to go ahead and grant at this time. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you. You as well.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. Let's go to Ortez Thompson. Please unmute, start your camera, calling ticket number P1457633, and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Ortez Thompson. Mr. Thompson, please start your video and state your name.
Ortez Thompson.
All right, good job taking care of all of your stuff, insurance, license, registration. There's a motion to dismiss for compliance, which I'm going to grant. Your tickets are dismissed. You do have an old failure to stop for a stop sign from 2023 that I can't do anything about because it's gotten too old. But it looks like it's into, or that it's closed. So I'm not dealing with that one today, but the ones before me today are dismissed. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. I've got Fletcher Tarver. Please unmute *6, or is it star? Yep, *6. Fletcher Tarver, *6 on your device to unmute, please. I have the Nina Troy file. Thank you. Nina Troy, please unmute. Turn on your camera. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Calling ticket number P1888275, City versus Nina Troy. Ms. Troy, state your name for the record, please.
Nina Troy.
Thank you. All right. Apparently, Defense Counsel has negotiated a dismissal, according to her, with the city attorney of all of your matters. The officer did appear for trial, but we're going to go ahead and dismiss these at this time. Per the city, have a good day. Your tickets are dismissed.
Nina Troy?
Yes, you, Nina Troy.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Bye-bye. All right, Fletcher Tarver, whenever you get unmuted, we'll do your matter. Tamia Taylor, please unmute. Turn on your camera. Where's Mr. Tillery? He won't come up.
Good morning.
Morning. All right, I've got ticket number P1908049, City versus Tamia Taylor. Ms. Taylor, just state your name for the record, please.
Tamia Taylor.
Thank you. Looks like they're going to dismiss the no insurance if you admit to going 1 to 5 miles per hour over the speed limit on the freeway.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so raise your right hand. Swear or affirm you're going to tell me the truth. I just need
I
you
need
to
to
say
say it. I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm sorry.
the truth. Thank you. All right. Is it true that on May 1st of 2026 in the area of Gratiot and Flanders that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit, which we are entering as a limited access ticket?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. All right. This would have been a 4-point ticket. Slow down. You don't want that.
Okay.
You pay too much for insurance around here, right? It makes life really hard.
Yeah.
So it's not worth it. It's not worth it in a number of ways, but especially, you know, at risk of life and injury. But even if you don't do that, it just ends up costing us. So slow down. 1 to 5 over, limited access, $125, 60 days to get it paid, or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Got to do one of those two things within 60 days or you'll lose your deal and you'll get that 4-point ticket. All right. So
okay.
let's start on the payment plan. Okay.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Gregory Price, good morning. You can go ahead and unmute, turn your camera on. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Calling ticket number P1908052, City versus Gregory Price Jr. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, Gregory Price Jr.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Price, looks like they are going to be dismissing the no insurance charge and you're going to do the improper equipment charge, which is the tinted windows. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand, swear to tell the truth. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Okay, is it true that on May 1st of 2026 in the area of Finkel and Greenfield that you had illegally tinted windows on the vehicle you were operating?
See, that's how, yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's not a misdemeanor, it's a civil infraction. You do have the right to a formal hearing on it, that particular case. But they're running together. So if you have a formal hearing on the tinted windows, you certainly have the ability to try to prove that your windows were not illegally tinted if you don't believe they were at the time. But you'd also be needing to show that you had proof of insurance at that time to not lose on that misdemeanor issue at trial. The insurance has to have been valid on the date of trial. Okay,
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
date of the occurrence, not just the date of trial. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you making the admission at this time on the tinted windows?
Say it one more time.
Are you making the admission on this time on the tinted windows? You do not wish for me to set these matters for trial and formal hearing?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. All right, $120, 60 days. Within the 60 days, if you can't pay the $120 in full, you can go see the cashiers on the first floor. Tell them you need a longer term payment plan. They'll just want a down payment from you. As long
Okay.
as you down payment within the 60 days, your deal remains in place, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
Can I ask one question?
Sure.
I had got 2 tickets for the same thing in 2 separate days. I mean, yeah, 2 separate days. But I go to court on the 25th of this month too. So is those 2 different courts or?
Did you tell your attorney that you had other tickets?
No. Because I have 2 different court dates, so I just wanted to know.
Let me get Miss Warren out here. Give me a minute. Do we have these? We have them in the system if he's got a date, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We'll
I
see
think
if
it was today and
yeah, but you
the
need to
other
tell your attorney
ticket.
so that it's part of your plea deal, right? So don't hang up. I want to get the city attorney out here and see if she's willing to dismiss those tickets that are coming up pursuant to your plea. Give me a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Right here. Thank you.
All right, let me try to get Miss Horn. She's in with someone right now.
A few months later, the person
Okay, Mr. Price, I'll be back with you in just a moment. Can you pull his tickets up just so we can be sure they are for the same thing on Mr. Price? Ms. Thread, I'll be right with you. I know you've been waiting for a minute. Mr. Tarver, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. On Tarver, calling ticket number P1878068 and P1878256. Both of these are City versus Fletcher Tarver. Mr. Tarver, state your name for the record, please.
Selected Bell Tarver.
Thank you. I have a motion to dismiss your matters based upon verification of all of your valid documentation and valid license. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss your tickets at this time. Have a good day. Your tickets are dismissed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a good day.
Yes, ma'am.
And hi, Judge. If you had been prompting me to come, I think it was something in front of the prompt. So I only saw it when me and Miss White just finished talking.
Thank you. Okay, so 2 things. Gregory Price Jr. is out here with me. He just entered a plea to, where's the Price file? Did I hand it back to you, Martha? Price. He just entered a plea, Madam Clerk, to improper equipment. He showed his valid insurance documents. He had been charged with insurance and tinted windows, so he showed valid insurance, and then that was dismissed, and then he admitted to the tinted windows. Apparently, he's gotten another, he has another ticket that he's due in on in about a week or so. Same thing, no insurance, and I don't know if he got it. It looks like just no insurance on that one. Can we go ahead and dismiss that one pursuant to his plea, given his valid insurance, so he doesn't have to come back?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, so Mr. Price, you don't need to come back to court. That ticket will be incorporated into your plea and dismissed.
I appreciate that, ma'am.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Clerk. I'll let you take care of that one on Price.
And thank you, Judge. I'm just gonna pop over to the other courtroom.
Hold on, before you go, sorry. I've got a pro per defendant in room 8, no offer on the
Trevino?
offer. I'm sorry, yes, Trevino, not room
Yeah,
8,
we
but
had a really nice conversation. I gave him all my information. I believe he, from what I'm understanding, is that he does have an attorney. And so the people are asking, we'll stipulate to a 30-day adjournment.
Okay.
I also gave him the offer, the offer that would normally be for these types of cases.
Okay,
I
gotcha.
gave that information so his attorney can contact me.
All right, thank you. All right, thanks, Ms. Horn. That's what I needed from you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep, thank
All
you.
right. Thank you. Mr. Price, you're all done. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right. Then I have Ms. Threat. Let's get her done. Can I have the threat file, please? Thank you, Madam Clerk. Calling ticket number P1897561, City versus Chanel Threat. Ms. Threat, state your name for the record, please.
Chanel Threat.
Thank you, Ms. Threat. Looks like you are pleading just to the expired plates. That's a civil infraction. Everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it true that on April 13th of 2026 in the area of Connor and Kercheval that you were operating a vehicle with expired plates?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Madam Clerk, is that 120?
Which one?
Expired plate, civil? Just a minute, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. All right, we think it's 145. I'm gonna give you 60 days. Within the 60 days, get it paid in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. If you need more time to pay, just give them the down payment within the 60 days and these dismissals remain in place, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I do appreciate it.
All right, have a great day. Thank you.
You as well.
Okay, Mr. Trevino, good morning.
Good morning.
I understand you had a chance to speak with the prosecutor, receive an offer in your case, and discuss setting a future date so that you guys can get, so that someone can get discovery requested, either you or someone on your behalf. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right, calling ticket number U750-18826, City versus Christopher Trevino. Mr. Trevino, just state your name for the record, please.
Christopher Trevino.
All right, thank you. What we will go ahead and do then is we will set this for a date 30 days out, which would put me, Madam Clerk, at July 15th. Does that work for us?
Yes.
All right, we'll see you back here July the 15th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
That'll be for a final pretrial so we can see what's going on with discovery. All right?
All right. Thank you.
Have a good day. See you at 8:30 that day. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. We'll get Mr. Townsend. I do have one person in the waiting room. Anthony T. Anthony T, please unmute. All right, I haven't been able to get your attention this morning. Right, are you Anthony Tillery? Sir, please unmute.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes.
Calling ticket number P1894099, City versus Anthony Tillery. Mr. Tillery, state your name for the record, please.
Yes, Anthony Deshamley Tillery.
Thank you, Mr. Tillery. Both of your tickets are dismissed for compliance.
All righty. Also, I have one quick question. I have got pulled over on May the 27th for like the same two problems, but I also made a right turn.
This did not seem relevant to tell your attorney?
He did tell me, Your Honor, I put notes in there and I left him in there until we were done. And then
Oh,
he
okay.
pulled out. So I didn't
Okay.
have notes next to his name.
All right. Well, what are we doing with Mr.? I thought you told me it was a dismissal.
No, they were additional. I wrote that there was an additional file. So that hasn't come yet. It's from the end of May. Do we know if he has another court date or if we're able to take care of that matter? I don't know what the other ticket is.
I have the ticket number if y'all want it.
June 25th at 1:30, disregard red signal, no insurance misdemeanor, and driver's license.
That's his next court date is June 25th.
He's got a disregard. What are they, Madam Clerk,
He
please?
has disregard red signal, no insurance misdemeanor, and drove while license not valid.
Okay, so are we able to take care of that today or does he need to come back?
Insurance and the insurance and the license are fine with me. If he's got proofs today, those would be dismissed. What was the other one, Madam Clerk?
Disregard red signal.
But the disregarding red is obviously something I have to run by Ms. Horn to try to resolve.
All right, so let me see if I can run by Ms. Horn. Okay, Mr. Tillery, I'm gonna put you back.
Yeah, okay.
You're gonna need to text her because she's gone to another courtroom.
Okay, let me do that. Do we have the file number? Hold on 1 second.
SP 191 8690, counts 1, 2, and 3.
So the disregarding red is your one that you need because we can deal with the others on the proofs, I guess. Since he has
Okay,
to.
and what's the number for the disregard the proof? Does that count?
For the disregarding
Counts
red?
1, 2, and 3.
Which one is the disregarding red?
Count 1.
Okay.
Okay, fine. All right, let me see. All right, I'll speak to her. Thank you.
All right, Devon Townsend, good morning. Please unmute, turn on your camera. Calling ticket number P1902952, City versus Devon Townsend. Good morning. State your name for the record, please, sir.
Davon Townsend.
Thank you. Looks like they're going to amend the open alcohol to open alcohol passenger. That's count 3, and they're going to dismiss counts 1 and 2. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please stop walking. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on April 25th of 2026, in the area of West 7 Mile and forward, that you possessed open alcohol in the passenger area of a vehicle that was operating on a public roadway?
Yes.
$190 is your fine, sir. 60 days to get it paid in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those 2 things within the next 60 days, your deal will remain in place. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. All right. Did you write that note on Tillery?
No.
All right, on Trice, please. Akili Trice, please unmute. Mr. Tillery, we'll be with you in just a moment.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. All right, Mr. Trice, ticket number P1907315, City versus Akili Trice. Mr. Trice, state your name for the record, please.
Akili Trice.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Trice, I have 1 count of driving while license suspended, 1 count of disregarding red flasher, and 1 count of expired plates. Looks like you're just going to reduce the red flasher to 1 to 5 over limited access, a 0-point offense. Everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Did anybody promise you anything else today
No.
that I don't know about?
No.
All right, this is a civil infraction, so it's not a guilty plea. It's just an admission of responsibility. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear to tell the truth?
I do.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on April 30th of 2026 at East Outer Drive and East 7 Mile, that you were exceeding the speed limit by at least 1 mile per hour?
Yes.
All right. This is entered as a limited access ticket, $125, 60 days to pay or get on a payment plan with the cashiers to keep that reduction to the 0-point ticket. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Thank you. All right, I need the Terrence Tillery file. Thank you. Terrence Tillery, good morning. P1907929, City versus Terrence Tillery. Mr. Tillery, please state your name for the record.
Terrence Jose Tillery.
Thank you. Defense counsel, having reviewed all of your valid documentation, has made a motion to dismiss, which I am granting at this time. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Right, then I have Anthony Tillery, who is going to get the reduction to blockading. But first, Ms. Turner, Catilla Turner, please unmute and begin. Start your video, please. Ms. Turner, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, everything else being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Is it true, ma'am, that on July 23rd of 2025 in the area of East 7 Mile and Sunset, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is going to be $190. You have 60 days to get that paid in full or to start on a cash payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. That's how you keep your deal in place. For the record, everything else is dismissed, okay?
I have a question.
Yes.
So I'm facing financial hardship because I just moved. So is there a way I can volunteer to pay the 190 or?
Yeah, give me 1 second. I'll convert this to community service for you. Get ready to take down a phone number, please.
Okay, let me get an ink pen. My camera might close off, but I'm still here. I'm ready.
Fine. You ready now for the number?
Yes.
Okay, Madam Clerk, would you give her the number for community service, please?
It's 313
Uh-huh.
965
965.
8130.
Okay.
And then I'll have you come back. They'll tell you where you can go do your community service. Let them know you have 12 hours of community service to do. And then we'll set a follow-up date, a review date for August 14th. Just that's 60 days just to see if your community service is done, okay?
Okay, so you will send a paper out to my house about the next court date in August?
All I control is what goes out of the courthouse, not what lands in your mailbox. So I'm telling you right now, your next court date is going to be a review on August 14th. So please write that down, okay?
Yes, August 14th. And you tell them I just need 12 hours of community service?
You need to tell them. So you'll call that number, let them know you need to get 12 hours community service done. And then I want to see the proof that you got it done in 60 days when you come back. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You have a better one. Bye-bye.
All right, then we'll go to Mr. Tillery again, Anthony Tillery. Mr. Tillery, go ahead and unmute.
Yes, I did.
Thank you, P1894099, and all other related matters on today's docket and future dockets for Anthony Tillery. Counsel, your appearance again, please.
Yes, Your Honor, for the record, Melissa Vinek, P53750, appearing on behalf of Anthony Tillery. Mr. Tillery, please say your full name for the record.
Yes, Anthony Deshamley Tillery.
Thank you.
Thank you. One moment, please. Madam Clerk, would you please read the ticket number for Mr. Tillery's future court date so that the record is clean if we have questions that we need to come back to? So, go ahead.
For the ticket scheduled for June 25th at 1:30, the numbers are SP 1918690, counts 1, 2, and 3, disregard red signal, no insurance misdemeanor, drove while license not valid or improper license.
Thank you. All right, counsel, I understand counts 2 and 3 will be dismissed for compliance, just as his ticket was that we read into the record first. I had already completed that dismissal when he told me that he had other cases, leaving us with just the red signal in count 1.
That's correct, Your Honor. And at this time, I've had the opportunity to discuss this with Ms. Horn, the city attorney, as well as with Mr. Tillery. I believe that Mr. Tillery understands his trial rights. Mr. Tillery will be tendering a plea on ticket ending in 690, count 1. That is to a reduced charge of blockading, Your Honor. The balance of those tickets, 2 and 3, as stated, to be dismissed.
All right, thank you. Okay, Mr. Tillery, so we're going to dismiss the insurance and license tickets again on the proofs, okay, since you've taken care of those things. And then on your red signal, that's going to reduce to a blockading, which carries a fine but 0 points and does not report out to your insurance. You do wish to avail yourself of that offer and make that admission?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand and swear to tell the truth again.
Yes, I do.
All right, and you are admitting then, sir, that on May 27th of 2026 in the area of West Warren and Southfield that you disregarded a red or yellow light, which we are reducing to blockading traffic. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right, thank you. 175, 60 days, get it paid, or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them their down payment. That's how you keep this deal in place, and it saved you some points. So make sure you do, okay?
Yes, thank you.
All right, have a good day, Mr. Tillery.
Yeah, you too.
Okay. Who else do we have here? Looks like we've got Mr. Pegues. Attorney White, you want to bring Mr. Pegues out so we can get him done?
Yes, will
Thank
do.
you. And then Attorney Vinik, looks like you're all done as long as you send your email to Madam Clerk. Thank you. Today felt really chaotic to me, so thank you for your work. I don't know, it just felt like people were coming in and out every minute. New people were in and out of here.
Yeah.
Bill, you are a very efficient judge.
Thank you.
That's very true. That's very true. What email do you need? I don't have any, what email would we need?
All the dates on the record and all the appointed counsel requests, we got their information, then we're good.
Yeah, no, there's no, yeah, I think we're good. So,
All right.
Kim? Oh, you don't have any?
no appointed requests.
Okay.
They were all taken care of.
Okay, thank you.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks very much. Thanks, Ms. White.
Thank you.
Okay,
So
we'll take
Seeing you.
Mr. Pegues here.
Bye.
Mhm.
Okay.
You ready on Mr. Pegues, Attorney White?
yes, I
Okay.
am.
All right, calling ticket number SP 190-19222, a no insurance misdemeanor ticket. And then I have SP 190-19221, which is an equipment violation. Both of these from April 24th of 2026. The equipment violation is in default. Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rita White on behalf of Nazari Pegues, P63046. Mr. Pegues, please unmute, activate your video, and state your name for the record.
Thank you. Counsel.
Your Honor, given the fact that this matter is a show cause, if the court will waive, if there is a warrant in the system, we'll waive formal readings, stand mute, and ask that the warrant be set aside.
Thank you. Court notes formal reading has been waived. Enters a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and sets aside any and all warrants.
Yes. Regards to the no insurance ticket, the recommendation is improper plates, and also the civil infraction, it is tinted windows, so it is a plea of responsible as charged. I believe Mr. Pegues would like to accept the plea offers.
Great, thank you. Mr. Pagis, is that true? You're going to accept the reduction to improper plates on the insurance and acknowledging that the equipment violation is in default. I'll just make sure that I can remove any like late fees or whatever for you. I can at least do that if you have them.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else that I need to know, or does that sound consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Did anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
The counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial.
Yes.
Do you understand you will not have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Okay. Raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on April 24th of 2026 in the area of Harlow and Grove that you were operating a vehicle without insurance?
Yes.
Okay. That fine is $190. You have 60 days to get that paid. On your tinted windows, I think that one's 120. That one's already gone into default, but I'll remove any late fees. So you're just left with the 120. You are making the admission that you did have illegally tinted windows at that date and location. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so 60 days on both of these, 120 and 190. You don't have to pay it all within 60 days. You just have to at least go see the cashiers on the first floor and talk to them about a payment plan, give them their down payment before the 60 days runs out, and your deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
I got one more question.
Yes, everybody's got one more question there. Yes.
Will I be able to do that over the phone or I have to go into the courthouse?
Well, it depends on what you want to do. So if you want to pay the ticket, you can do that online through the court's website. If you want to get on a payment plan, like a longer term payment plan, I think you have to come in and see the cashiers on that, but they're on the first floor of the courthouse. You can walk in and see them and they'll put you on a longer term payment plan. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Have a good day. What happened to Kenneth Trammell? I still have his file sitting here and I'm wondering why.
I don't know, Attorney White? Did you by any
Yes.
chance speak with the Kenneth Trammell?
No, I did not.
Okay, I don't know, I'll reschedule.
Yeah, thank you. I just don't.
And on Robert Thomas, can I put it in the chat, his contact information? Because it's an MIDC request, or I will need your email to email it to you.
Yeah.
You can put it in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah, he needs a future date. He's got a number of civil infractions in this file. So we need to get him rescheduled. Let's not issue, we'll make sure no KPS goes out. He was here. Something happened. All right, Attorney White, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Madam Court Reporter, thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks, Judge.
Was he the only one?
We had one other that you handled from out here.
Oh, right, that's what, okay.
Mhm.